Hi guys, Miss Monique here. We're going to show you guys a little card game with Miss Maya and Miss Lizotte. So we kind of made this one up as we go. So first thing you're going to want is a piece of paper, and you're going to want to put it into 4 sections. So you're going to have your 10s and your 1s. And then another good idea is to have a little piece of scrap paper or a sticky note to do your adding on. So your goal of this game is to get the lowest possible sum. So what we did first is we took a pack of cards, so we used 2 packs, and we took out all the cards except for numbers 1 to 5. So we have, the aces are the 1s, then we have your 2s, your 3s, your 4, and your 5s. And then shuffle all your cards together, so give them a little shuffle around and a little deal. And then we're going to show you guys how it works. So Miss Maya, do you want to start first or me?
I will go first. So
Okay.
I'm going to pick a card, and I have a 4. So I'm going to decide if that would be better to go in my 10s or my 1s. I'm going to put it in my 1s because that will give me a smaller number, hopefully.
Okay, my turn, and I've picked a 5, so that is definitely going to go into the 1s.
Okay. And I picked an ace, which is technically a 1 card. So I want the lowest possible answer at the end. So I'm going to put it in the front. And you can put it on the bottom of your sheet, or you can put it at the top. It's up to you. And I'm going to put that one in my 10s place for a low number.
2. That's a pretty small number, so I'm going to put it in my 10s.
Okay, my turn. I picked a 6.
That is
That's
not supposed to be in
That's
there.
not supposed to be in there.
That was a
Okay.
blooper.
And an ace. Oh, that's a good one. That represents a 1, so I'm going to put that in my 10s.
And I picked a 4. I'm going to put that one up top as a 1.
An ace. Excellent. That's going to be a 10.
Oh, wait, it's your go. Patience.
4, I'm going to put that in my 1s column.
Okay, I picked a 3. That one's kind of a tough one. Do you want it to be in a 10 or do you want it to be in a 1? I'm going to risk it and hope that I get a 2 or an ace, which is a 1 for the front. So I'm going to put it in my 1 spot.
Last number, 5. And that's going in my 1s, so that's a good spot for that.
Okay, for me, a 4. So I have no choice but to do that.
Okay. And I got a 1. Okay, so then we're going to add our 1s place first. So if you have trouble adding, you can just use your scrap paper to write. I have this number at the top is 14. So 1 and a 4 plus 1 and a 3. This makes 13. Now, I know that 4 plus 3 equals 7. So I'm going to put my 7 here. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So my total is 27. Miss Maya?
All right, and in my 1s place, I have a 4 and a 5. So I use my scrap paper here to figure out 4 plus 5 is 9. And 1 plus 2 is 3. So that gives me a total of 39.
39, great. Okay, so I had a 5 and a 4, and that makes 9. And then I had a 1 and a 4, and that makes 5. So my number was 59.
So now we
Okay.
need to figure out who had the smallest number. What was your number?
So Miss Monique had 27.
Miss Maya had 39.
And I had 59,
So Miss Monique gets 1 tally mark. So you want to keep your scores in tally marks. And the person with the most tally marks when all these cards are gone out of the pile is the winner. Okay? So that's your challenge for today. Give it a shot and see what you think.
have fun.
Bye.
No cheating.